quick video to show you how to set up our C2 Plus, our tiny Wi-Fi, dash cam, body cam, security cam. Very simple. So first and foremost, let's plug the power. So when we first set it up, there you go. Immediately a light will come on, right? This is also the micro SD card. If you have one, just insert one. It allows you to actually record on the SD card. You can also record on your phone, but the SD card is pretty handy. So once you actually plugged in the C2 Plus, we're going to take your phone. This is Android, and I'm going to actually download the app. So I go on Google Play and I am going to download, right, app, and I'm going to search for it, and it's called Fowl, F-O-W-L. Oops, F-O-W-L. There you go. That's the one here popping up. I select it and I want to install. Great. So let's close it. You could open it from here, but I like always to go back to my phone and look for the Fowl app. See where it downloaded actually. And there you go. Here. You open it, and of course you have to agree. Here you can either, if you have already an account, put your login and your password, or you can do a quick registration for the first time. So you don't have to put an email. I can put my camera, and I will enter a password. They already, okay, and then the password will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There you go. With an A. There you go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 with an A. Great. The registration is successful, and I can now close the app. Okay. The second step now in this process is actually to connect the camera to the app. So the way to do that is, again, very simple. You go into your phone settings here, settings, and then you're going to look for connection on Android, the Wi-Fi here. I'm going to open Wi-Fi menu, and as you can see, OK/0056 is already there as an option. You can actually check the number behind this very long number. That will be basically the ID of the camera. You just select it, and you're going to wait until the OK00, checking for quality and internet connection. It's actually selected. Once it's collected, so it says internet may not be available. It's okay, it's fine. Just keep Wi-Fi connection because there's no internet with this Wi-Fi. It's just recognizing the camera. So you can see it's connected without internet. Once this is done, you close and you go back to the Fowl app, which is here, and you're going to open the Fowl app, okay? And suddenly there is this black window that appears with a play button. As simple as that. You just press the play button, and there you go. This is the camera that is live, looking at my phone actually. So now the app, the camera is connected to the app. You also want to connect your camera to Wi-Fi. So you're going to go there on the wheel up there, and you can see the menu Wi-Fi settings here. You select Wi-Fi setting, and here you're going to select your home Wi-Fi. For us, it's Spread, the name of the company, and I'm going to enter my password of basically the office Wi-Fi. Okay, and I'm going to confirm. Yeah, and the camera is going to be plugged in, and I can leave it home. It's connecting, as you can see. Once it's connected, you can leave the camera home, plugged in 24/7, and access it through the app everywhere you are. So there you go, network configuration successful. You're on, and you know, I can now monitor the live view of the camera. I can hear what's happening with this. Hello, with this button, I can actually rotate the camera up and down, take pictures, record, and as I said earlier, if you have an SD card, there is also a motion detection feature. You just need to open the settings, and you go in the alarm setting here. You can see there is motion detection, low, medium, or high. This will basically trigger the camera to send you a message when it detects motion in the room. So it's really handy. Be careful not to put the camera and install it outside where there's wind and things moving all the time. If not, you're going to receive a lot of messages. But you can kill this function or turn it on. And there's a whole bunch of other little things that I can show you later. But I just wanted to show you how to set it up the first time. And you don't have to repeat that. Every time you're going to open the camera now, the app, it's going to find the camera like that. You just press the play button and I'm live, as you can see. Hope this helps. Thank you.